Once again, I'm at arm's length. Okay, so this is a precursor vid. What I want to do this winter is actually showcase some of the builds I do over the course of the winter. In the bike shop, things slow down a little bit, and I usually try to get a restoration done. Hold on, I'll take you on the journey during some of the downtime. So, as we take a little walkabout here, maybe I've done this before, I don't know. We're going deeper and deeper into the dungeon. Hold on, I'll turn you guys around here. Whoa! Look at that. It's like Indiana Jones. So, over the last few years, these are a few of the things I've done. There's a CT70 Z50, a 69 Z50 that I still need a headlight, a taillight bracket, and I have the other emblem, but I need to get a way to get it to stay on. Pit bike project that I'm still sort of working on. XR75. And if we go all the way over here, one of my faves. Oh, I don't know how dark this thing can handle. Wait a minute. My C70 with off-road capabilities, which I really got to get out and ride. This thing is just, it's awesome. I love it. I did keep the luggage rack. This is an original. This is gonna go and actually be restored one of these days, you know. But I'm still looking for more projects, of course. So, which brings us to the next step. All right. Now, ooh, look at it, I'm gonna fade in. All right. Over to a little bit of an issue. The issue is filth. Shop is taking a beating. Summertime is over. You can see I have garbages and bottles and recycling to all be done, and the floor needs a good sweeping and cleaning, and there's bins out, and there's an engine. But before we get to that, here is my moped. Drove her down the other day, did a quick few little fixes to it. She's whoa. Let's see if she's a runner. Oh, it looks like she might be a leaker. This is really weird to do with one hand. Alright, we'll get to it. Oh, you know what I did? I turned the fuel off. Alright. Let's go for a bike ride, guys. Whee! And there we go. Joys of joys. I'll be back. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to do one of these. And then the shop will be miraculously clean, okay? So I'll see you in about a month.